So, first question. Give the transcript sequence. Anyone would like to volunteer?
Farisha?
Humaira?
Never mind, correct or wrong, later we discuss.
I think I will volunteer for this question.
Okay, thank you.
So the transcript sequence is, you all can hear, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Start with U, A, C, G, C, and then U, U, A, U, A, U, U, A, U, G, C, and then C, G, A, U, A, G, G, C, C, U, G, U, U, A, C, G, A, G, A, A, U, C, A, U, C, A, U, 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 A, U, U, U. Okay, that's all.
So can you point out from which nucleotide? That will be easy. For example, the start codon is on 200, something like that. Like the transcript sequence starts from +1 until where? Like that would be easier. Okay.
Oh, so we don't have to
Also,
start from the start. It's from the beginning.
Just start from the start codon, yes. Don't have to.
Okay.
Just point out from which codon. Like for example, question number 1, the transcript sequence starts from +1 until +2500, like that. Would be easier rather than you
Transcript all,
okay.
yes.
Okay, so the answer would be from +1 until 2500. Anyone got different answer? If you got any different answer, then just speak out so that we can
I got the same.
Yeah, I think we all agree with it. Start with
okay.
the class
So
1 class, yes.
Okay. So no problem for this question. Okay, moving on to second question. Give the core promoter.
Yeah, for this
Anyone?
question, the core promoter starts with the Tata box and the initiator elements, right? Which is the negative 30 class Tata.
Yes.
Right, if I'm not mistaken, yes, Tata box until the +1 initiator elements. That is the core promoter.
Okay. Anyone got different answer?
But my answer is from -30 until +3.
Oh, +3. Any reason for your answer?
Because the initiator sequence with 7 nucleotide, right? So I think from G, C, T, A, T, T, G is a initiator.
Oh, okay. So, what do you guys think? Hello.
Is there a way to confirm this, like to check it from somewhere?
Okay, how about we just look at the slide now?
I think.
Yeah.
Yes, that's good. Let's do that.
Later.
I think it's better to confirm.
Okay. Okay. So Farisha, according to my understanding now, because transcription starts from +1, which means one is already the transcript region, transcribe sequence, and then if the promoter, can it overlap with transcript sequence? Can it or cannot?
I don't think so because it will mm, the promoter will bind today.
Miran, can you go to the slide, the initiator slide? Okay, as you can see, the +1 also in the initiator element. You can see in the sequence at the bottom.
Yes.
Until +1.
Okay, +1, and then.
So you mean we start from here, is it?
Oh.
Yeah. So what do you guys think?
Okay. Oh, I think FARISHA will be more accurate because if you look at the image from Google search, the promoter also overlaps with the transcription start site, I think.
So until +3?
I think yes, but it does not like it may be not be like that, something like that. Because the important features of promoters will be the length will be about 40 base pair. Yeah. Okay. Later I will confirm with you guys again. And then moving on to question. Okay. The template sequence for transcription. Anyone would like to volunteer?
Dylan, for this one, we have to read the nucleotide sequence or not? Sorry?
Sorry, my line is bad.
Okay, so
my line is bad just now.
Okay, so I will read the sequence. So it starts from 3' AUG G GGA CAA UGC UCU UA, and then GUA GUAA AAU AAA. Five prime.
Oh, so what you mean is from here, is it?
Yeah.
Until here, is it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Anyone got any different answer?
No, mine is the same with FARISHA.
Okay. Farah or Idina?
Same with FARISHA.
Same. Farah?
Oh, but can I ask, for the template,
Yes.
it starts from the +1, but it doesn't have to stop at the stop codon. So the template is from +1 until 2005.
Yes. Because this one is start and stop codon, it only affect the translation. And then the transcription only stop at transcription stop site.
Okay, I understand.
Nice. Okay. Third question, A4. The right decoding sequence. Farah or Idina, you guys?
Ina, you want to try? Wait.
It's okay.
Farah. So my answer is from the start codon until the stop codon. So the coding sequence is UAC, GAG, AAU, CAU, CAU, U. Is that correct? I'm so...
Oh, so from here until here.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone got any different answer?
What about you, Dylan?
Oh,
Do you think
I got the
answer is
same.
Yeah. So
I got the same answer.
I think we all can agree that this is
Okay. I got the same answer, but there's something I want to ask, because the coding sequence, does it include introns? Because introns is non-coding sequence, right?
I don't think it includes the introns because I checked on YouTube earlier. It
Yes, but
not included.
yeah, but if you start from start codon until stop codon, there must be introns in between, right? So how do we know it is a coding sequence? Because to be exact, this one is open reading frame, which includes introns and exons. So what do you guys think? Okay, it's like that. Never mind.
So you know the answer, Dylan.
Maybe we should not overthink. I don't know. Because according to my understanding, coding sequence does not include introns. Right.
Yeah, I think the
how do we know?
the RNA splicing will recognize the introns, like.
But before we
then they will
transcribe, wasn't we the mRNA have been spliced, and then we transcribe. Understand? We splice first and then we transcribe.
Isn't
So the anticodon will not be there, in my understanding.
But this is the gene sequence, which it is the whole.
Yeah, because this one is gene sequence, which means haven't transcribed or haven't.
Okay.
Dylan, we can hear you.
Sorry, my internet connection not good.
Yes.
So I start over again. Okay, moving on to number 5.
Okay.
State the length of the coding region, transcript, and co-promoter. So we start with the length of the coding region first. Anyone would like to try? Especially EIRDEENA, is it? Yeah.
Oh, I don't know how to calculate the length.
Oh, okay. Have you tried the equations? Okay. Anyone would like to help her? Never mind. Even the answer is wrong, also we can always discuss it out, and then we look for the correct answers.
I don't know how to calculate the length too.
Me too.
So the length from start to stop codon, right?
Coding region, yes.
So
from
the T is 2,300. So include the AA, so it would be 2,303 minus 230.
Okay.
Then we get the answer for the length.
And then the answer would be 2073. Is it?
Then what about the units?
Okay, so because we use the number of nucleotide bases to find out its length. So maybe you can write 2073 nucleotide bases long, something like that. Or do you guys have any other unit?
No, I write it in nucleotide.
Everyone knows how to calculate the length, is it? Or do you guys need any explanation?
I'm okay. You guys okay too?
Edina?
Please
Okay, Edina.
explain further, please.
Oh, explain further. Humaira, you want to try to explain?
Okay. For the coding region, the way we are going to calculate the length is from the plus 2,300, and then all you have to do is plus with the TAA, which is the stop codon, and then minus with the 230, and then we could get the length of the coding region, which is the 2073. That's all.
Yes. Edina, the reason we get 2,303 is because on the T right here, it's 2,300. Okay. And then we want these two. So 1, 2, and then 3. 3 here, we start from 3 here, minus until here, until here.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
like for example, now we want to calculate the length of this. So how do we calculate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we cannot like 5 minus with 1, right? So we need to 6 minus with 1. Then we get 5 of these nucleotide bases. Okay,
okay.
clear?
Okay. Clear. Thank you.
Okay. Now moving on to length of transcript. Irina, can you try the length of transcript?
Okay. The length of transcript.
Yeah.
Wait. If from positive 1, then until last transcript or what? Until the AAT, AAA.
Yes.
Okay, so that 2,501.
Yes.
Is that correct?
So the answer would be how many nucleotide bases?
How many nucleotide bases? Is that 2,501? That's
Then
bases.
minus 1.
Yeah.
Oh, minus 1.
Yeah.
2,000.
Or you can simply, yeah.
499.
2,800.
Oh, okay. The correct answer would be 2,500. Why? Because let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, blah 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 until 2,300, blah 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 blah, and then 2,499, 2,500. Okay, don't be confused by the.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Understand.
Okay. The promoter, the length. Farah,
The
would you like to try?
will be included with the data box and the initiator elements, right?
Yes.
Only that part.
Go from negative 30 to positive 1.
Yeah. To make it easy. To make it easier, we just count from here until here. Because we don't know here would continue until when. So we make it easier from A until here. Farah would like to try.
Oh, co-promoter.
I
So it's only 20, 30, right? Best way.
30. Anyone got any different answer?
Why not 31?
Okay, 31. Okay, my answer would be 31 because if you calculate from here negative 30 and then until the end, here would be 0 or negative.
0 and negative 1. 0.
So the question will be, here will be 0 or negative 1.
0.
Okay, 0.
0. You sure? Here, this t will be 0 or negative 1.
Because this is the sequence, so I think it will be negative 1, not 0.
Oh, negative 1.
Yeah, negative 1. There's no 0, so it will be negative 2, negative 1, and then plus 1,
Plus
no
1.
0. Okay, negative 1.
So the answer will be 31.
Why no
Blank.
0?
Yes. Yes.
Because if there's 0, then it will be a blank gene sequence. There's no gene sequence. So start with 0.
Okay.
Does it make sense?
Yeah, you just have to by heart it, memorize it. There's no 0 here. So after negative 1 will be plus 1. Okay.
Immediately plus 1. Okay.
So how do we get 31? Because if you separate it, if you divide it up, 30 until 1, it will be 30 and 30 nucleotide bases. And then plus 1 here. So it will
Then
be
plus A, 31.
plus 1, 31. Okay. Okay, so we have finished the question. Anyone got anything you would like to ask or you would like to discuss?
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, me too.
Okay kan?
Okay.
Okay, make sure you guys just read more lah. Okay. And I need to read more too. About the coding sequence just now, and I'll try and do more readings and get. Okay.
Okay.
And then we can end the. Okay now.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.